Albott sent this acrylic dog pen for us to try. This is really cool because you can assemble it 2 different ways. I did it with a divider in the middle and the door. So if you have puppies and you want to keep them separate, or 2 dogs, you want to keep them separate, or you want to put a pee pad on one side. I just wanted to see what that looked like. There's 10 pieces, so you can configure it how you want to. It was really quick. It put me about 10 minutes to put it together. There's no tools. I'll show you at the end how you do it. It's very stable because you've got the locks at the top and the bottom. There's suction cups on the bottom too to keep it in place, but it is very, very sturdy because of that. Waterproof, scratch resistant, odor free. You can just wipe it to clean it. You could also get a second one and combine that and make it as big as you need to. But let me show you how it works with the doors. Especially with a puppy, they're going to be able to see you. You can see it's scratch resistant too. Okay, and then here it is as a rectangle. I've got a door on each end. So this would be great for any kind of small animal. I also love when these guys were really little, it was hard to find a playpen that they couldn't fit through the slats, but because this is acrylic here, they can see you, but they can't get out if you have the doors shut, and you're able to contain them in a nice little space. So here it is with one of their beds in, and again, I got 3 little dogs in here, so you can see how roomy it is. If you just have one little dog especially, this is a lot of room for them, yet they're confined. Okay, so I want to show you how it goes together. You've got a lot of these different pieces. The bottom ones all have suction cups and the top ones don't, so that makes it easy. There's a diagram that shows you 2 different ways. If you want to make it so that it's one big pin, then you're going to lay out your bottom pieces like that. But if you want to put a divider in it, then you can lay it out this way. Here's the individual panels. The dog bone goes at the bottom. The screws go on the inside, so they make it really easy to put it together. And then all you're doing is just sliding this down in the bracket as you go. Do the bottom pieces first and then put your top piece on.